they thrashed Charlotte 7-1. There's the whistle. It is soccer in Statesboro, USL League One. To that point, Tormenta had the best statistical defense in USL League One. As this is blocked down by Hara, more the same for the USL League One Player of the Week. Tormenta's been much more active in the middle. And this is well played through. This is rolling towards goal, but the mud and the muck keeps it from going across. Headed away. Injured to the top of the area. A perfect ball through. Sterling was on it. There was contact from Aviles. He appealed to the referee. Aviles did line on his back. That's looked over by Cabral and Adrian Bilhart. Bilhart, left foot, tough angle. He missed, not by much. On to Phelps. This made its way through. Right foot punched into the area, back post, played back! Oh, it's blocked away on the mouth of goal! A denial, Bilhart. Not well done there from Cardona, the deflection, and it's wide. At home, 0 goals at home until forward Madison came in on June 19th. They've got 4 in their last 2. Is there a goal here? Yes, there is! Chattanooga got sloppy in the back. Tormenta threw the numbers forward, and Jameel Roberts with a left foot gives Tormenta the 1-0 advantage. There you see the turnover in the midfield. Sterling keeps his footing. It's sent low by Cabral, and the easy tap-in for Roberts. As Aviles had committed, he was beaten. Tormenta made that look easy, all off of a Chattanooga giveaway. This is punched forward. Galindrez is on it. Galindrez punched it towards goal. Not sure it was destined for the back of the net. Hara did range to his left, and he's able to, in every sense of life, was pushed back. Oh, that's a wonderful back heel. Contact in the area. The referee says play on. Shot from distance is wide. It may have taken a deflection. Has come down at points today here in Statesboro. Pop up off the turf. There is still standing water around. There's a shot from distance. It is knuckled right onto Hara. No problems with that. Tons of ebbs and flows and surprises. Glorious opportunities, missed opportunities. There's a shot, low, and Aviles once again able to come up with it. On the turn, Sterling. Sterling, split defenders to the middle. Tormenta on top. It's a late goal, perhaps a game winner. Gabriel Cabral has Tormenta 10 minutes away from the first home victory of the year. It all started with Sterling. Look at the full head of steam. He had Cabral making the run with him. And Cabral unmarked in the middle. That was sniffed out by Dangler. And there's the final whistle. It finally happens for Tormenta. It took them half the season, but Tormenta has the home victory.